Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie. When it comes to buying the right tools, there's a lot to look out for. That's why today we're going to review the 5 best models for you. And we've ranked them by many different factors such as product features, price, performance, and more. Make sure to check the product links in the description for more information. Let's get started with the video.
Here we present the 5 best chipper shredder. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Snow Joe Electric Wood Shredder. First and foremost, the 14-amp motor has sufficient power to tackle a variety of jobs. You can use it for chipping or shredding branches even as thick as 1.5 feet, thanks to 4,300 RPMs, which is one of the highest going around. As a result, it saves valuable time, ensuring you can quickly complete the job. Plus, the 6-inch wheels make it portable and incredibly easy to operate. You can virtually move it from one spot to another, thereby getting a wholesome performance. Additionally, the locking knob prevents injuries, so it doesn't accidentally start up, and you get a safe operation. Number 2. WORX Electric Leaf Mulcher. The WORX Electric Leaf Mulcher has several similarities with some of the other models in the market, but it also includes some necessary upgrades. It delivers reliable performance and has cemented a place for itself. So, it has generated mostly positive reviews, putting it on most people's wish list. Straight off the bat, the 13-amp motor can mulch 53 gallons of leaves per minute, thereby significantly reducing the time you need to spend working. It comes with a state-of-the-art Flex A line blade-less mulching system, which effectively reduces the leaves in an 11:1 mulch ratio. Number 3. GreatCircleUSA Wood Chipper Shredder. The GreatCircleUSA Wood Chipper Shredder is generating enough buzz, thanks to the array of beautiful functions it comes in. It offers the perfect blend of versatility and power to tick most of the right boxes so far. As a result, it's turning quite a few heads in the market. Firstly, the 4-stroke OHP gas engine can reduce 3 inches diameter wood with ease. It provides a 15:1 reduction ratio and can turn even the most sturdy branches into reliable wood chips for your convenience. On top of that, the debris goes directly into the discharge bag. Number 4. SuperHandy Wood Chipper Shredder. The SuperHandy Wood Chipper Shredder has stuck to the basics while making the necessary additions to be regarded among the top products in the market. SuperHandy has paid a lot of attention to user-friendliness, and you'll find most of the features to your liking. No surprises then that it has received a positive response from customers. Right away, you'll notice the 4-stroke gas-powered engine capable of driving the numerous functions the unit comes with. The power helps to make it multifunctional, thereby adding to the versatility. Number 5. Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder. We are at the halfway point of our list, but there are many quality products we are yet to cover. Our next recommendation for you is the Landworks Wood Chipper Shredder, which is a favorite among users. It can perform numerous functions quickly, making it stand out in the market. First and foremost, it comes with the necessary power to reduce the mulch in a 15:1 ratio because of the 4-stroke engine. You can get a lot of work done in a short time, meaning you won't have to spend your weekend working for long hours.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.